Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to play Fade. Now let's get over with all the abilities. The first one is a Prowler. You hold to equip, fire to send the Prowler forward, hold fire to steer the Prowler towards your crosshair. Then you got the Seize. The Seize is basically you grab them. You grab them. That's about it. And after the Seize, you got your Hunt, which is basically like a Sova Recon Dart, just kinda better. And then you got your Nightfall, which is just your ultimate. And what the Nightfall does is basically give this lines, and if you aim towards the line and shoot, it's gonna hunt them. Now let me show you guys on how to, play with a Fade. Now this is not gonna be your, best tutorial. This is just gonna be a basic tutorial. Like these are the basics that you can do to play your ranked games, obviously. So now if we do this, let's say get a gun, let's get our Prowler. So first and foremost, if we put our eye in, right, you can always aim it high, aim it down, doesn't matter, and that's gonna mark one enemy. Now I see that I put the line in,
we found one,
and that's gonna get one kill, right? I can use this Prowler to hunt my right side. Right seems clear. That means the second one has to be somewhere around here. And there you go. Now you can use the Seize, then use it. That side seems to be clear. That means there's only one place available. It's gonna be either that corner and boom. That's about it, honestly.
Come on, please.
So, and the best things about that Hunt is, oh well, let me just exit this real quick. The best thing about this Hunt is you can just put it anywhere, and if you press E, it's gonna instantly drop.
I'll find you.
And now it's gonna get on top of the building. If I wanna, I can instantly make it drop, or if I want, I can let it go for as long as it wants. Yeah, that's about it, honestly. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you wanna see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.